Okay, we are in the domestic terminal of the Kathmandu airport, getting ready to fly into Juving and Caracola. I come in a couple days early, and that gives me the opportunity to go visit some of our Human Outreach Project sites there in those two communities. They're below the Lukla landing strip, a ways where many of the Sherpa and other communities come together and live. So we can go there, and that way we visit the schools, and at those schools we've installed solar, we've done computer centers, as well as other things at the medical clinic there. And we're going back in to look and see how their schools are doing. We haven't been there in a couple years because of the COVID and pandemic. And as well, we are going to be looking at some sites to do some tree planting, environmental things in those communities to help offset our carbon footprint for trekking and traveling around the world. So my group arrives in a couple days, and when they do, I wanted to get in early and prepare for them a little bit, but mostly come in a couple days early so I could visit these two communities where we've done a number of things over the years and are looking forward to continuing our support and helping them out with worldwide trekking through our sister nonprofit, the Human Outreach Project. So we're going to fly in a helicopter shortly, and then we'll be heading along our way. Okay, we're getting ready to lift off and head into Juving. Then we'll work our way up to Caracola, go check out the hop projects. We're going to take this helicopter and make our way in there and see how they're doing. Looking forward to it.
Hello, Tasdele. Azul.
वेलकम
Thank you. Namaste.
ढिला आयो हामी त है
होइन हजुर एकदम
Namaste. Namaste.
नमस्ते सबैले नमस्ते गरौँ नमस्ते
वेलकम
Well, thank you for having me again to Juving community. It's always a pleasure to stop by. And these last couple years, it was difficult for all of us and difficult for us to visit. But we were here in heart, and we want to continue our support to your lovely community. So we'll make sure that now that we're all in a better place and are able to travel more and visit more, we'll make sure that we continue our support with your teachers, with your school supplies, with your funding to help your community grow and your young students be better for the future. I want to thank all of the teachers that help here at the Juving School, and I want to thank the parents, because the parents come together to bring the children to school and help educate them for the future. And it's really important that these young students are able to contribute to the community as they grow older. We want to grow older with you, and we want to be here together as we move forward into the future. And we'll make sure that we contribute as much as we can to support the Juving community. So thank you for having us today. Thank you for the lovely program. Thank you for the beautiful dances. And thank you for the very warm welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. और ये जो हमारा यहाँ चल रहा है लो
It's okay?
ये सबका बात तो सभी लोग यस्तो हो त
खै के गर्नु छ त्यहाँ अहिले त बनाएको छ